We've spoken about Galaxy AI and Samsung DeX, but no one's really covered Galaxy AI and the Tab S9 Ultra. Daniel here from SamMobile TV. Today we're going to look at how when you combine Galaxy AI and Samsung's tablet range, you get the best of the experience. So I'm going to look at a few things here that really make Galaxy AI the perfect match for the Tab S9 series. A lot of it is down to the fact you do just get a bigger screen, but I want to highlight the particular functions that do get made better by this bigger canvas that the Tab S9 series has got. First thing I want to start with is Generative Edit. We've spoken a lot about this functionality here on SamMobile, but I feel with the bigger canvas of the Galaxy Tab S9 plus the S Pen, you can get an unmatched photo editing experience using Generative Edit. You can precisely remove objects using the S Pen just by circling around them. Yes, it's got the snapping tool, but the S Pen does just give you that little bit extra precise feel when you are circling an object that you would like removed. Not only that, the bigger screen gives you that feeling you can spot different things on the display that you maybe wouldn't have seen or noticed on a smaller display. So the Generative Edit function, whilst it operates exactly the same as it does on the phone, you do get that bigger canvas to actually notice things and then a bit more room to work. Definitely if you have a Tab S9, give Generative Edit a go and use the S Pen. And let me know if you've tried it below in the comments. The next thing that the Tab S9 series sort of caters for is productivity. Of course, bigger displays just lend themselves to that automatically. But you factor in things like Samsung DeX and the multi-window experience on One UI, you've already got productivity that's leaps and bounds above other devices in the range, in the category. But when you complete the hardware ecosystem of the tablet series, S Pen, which of course comes with it, but also the book cover keyboard, you've got an incredibly powerful AI machine, especially if you use apps like Samsung Notes. Samsung Notes has got various AI tools built right into it. But I believe with the Tab S9 series and Samsung Notes together, you've got the best that you can get when it comes to productivity. Not only do you have all of the amazing Samsung Notes features on their own to take advantage of, you also have the AI functionality. You can type away your notes on the book cover keyboard. That's a great thing about the book cover keyboard. It does transform it into more of a laptop feel, especially with the display. So you've got all your notes typed out and you might then want to use AI. Using the AI function of Samsung Notes, you can convert them into different formats. You can create yourself different summaries of the notes you've made. You can translate as well. So much to like, and also the grammar, which means that you are not just getting what you've wrote down, you are getting the ability to change what you've wrote into different styles, so then you can send them off to where you need to. It makes for such a powerful experience having AI on a tablet like this, because it means you're not just limited to AI on a smaller display, you've also got the productivity and the AI on this big display as well. Next up is browsing the internet. Now, I kind of touched on this last week with Samsung DeX, but browsing the internet on a tablet, you kind of get that almost like you're reading a book style feel. So with Galaxy AI sort of powering Samsung's internet browser, you can summarize that article that you're reading and sort of make it more concise, saving yourself some time and getting the information delivered to you a lot quicker. And if we circle back to the previous point, you can take the summary and then copy it into Samsung Notes using the multi-window experience on One UI as well, or using new DeX, which is there. It's a really clever way of utilizing Samsung software and combining and bringing AI into it. AI isn't dominating the concept. AI isn't overtaking your screen. The AI tools are there, sort of sitting idle in the background until you are ready to use them. And with the Tab S9, you've got the perfect sort of canvas to sort of find and move them around the screen so you can kind of take advantage and use multiple different things at once. You can have Samsung Notes AI over here. You can have website being summarized over here. You can have an email that you're writing sort of underneath, and you can change the style of the way you've written it using Samsung's writing styles in the keyboard. So much there that brings everything together, and the Tab S9 with its bigger canvas gives you a better platform to utilize it. And then circle to search. You might not think this is one that correlates to the tablet, but because of the multitasking capabilities, because of the fact you can have lots of different apps at once, this could be the perfect way to search for something, bring it up over here, and then have a notes page over here to sort of start to bring the information into. That's sort of stuff that not a lot of people maybe think about, or you haven't actioned it, but the tabOS 9 unlocks that. It gives you that capability, and it's all there using Galaxy AI on the tablet itself. We're really looking forward to seeing where Galaxy AI is heading next. If you are too, hit subscribe. Use the link in the description to reserve your next Galaxy, which is coming up soon at Galaxy Unpacked on the 10th of July. We'll see you next time. Thanks.